Good morning, everyone. Well, today I am preparing for the 30 days of sketches again, and like I said, it's a little tougher this time, and it's really, I think, just because of having 2 pages and trying to come up with a good configuration of photos. So I'm getting as close as I can. I just decided it won't be perfect, but you know, just like always, just do the best you can. And if you didn't watch the last 2 videos I did say that Christy has already put out these sketches. So if you go over to the Facebook group, 30 Days of Sketches, you can pick them up there. And I know I did link it below. No, I didn't link it below. Somebody asked me about it, and then I linked it to their message, but I will try to link that below today. So this is what I'm going to use for day 2, and this is day 2. And it's got some embellishment at the top, some at the bottom. It's got 4, well, it could be 3 or 4 pictures. This could be some kind, the journaling. And then 10 by 8 here, and I already said the title right. And she's got embellishments throughout. Oh, it looks like she's got a little bit of stitching there. That's super cute. So, and this is by Sean Styles Lar. So anyway, I am going to be using Mintay Farm Life, and so I've got the embellishments here. I've got these 2 papers that I plan on using. And here's the other side if you want to see that. I always want to see everything. Could you show me the other side of that? That's when people don't show, I always think that. And then I'm going to also use this, and here's the other side of that. And then I also put in this in case I don't feel like I have enough embellishments, then I will cut some out of here. So that is day 2. And my next one is going to be day 8. And I gotta pull it out of this sleeve. Okay, now this is Carta Bella En Vogue. And these are what I just have scraps. And want me to confirm my appointment. I will just do that later. Okay, so this is what I have left for papers. And I'm going to use this. I really haven't decided if I'm going to use this or this. I don't know. I kind of want to use this because it's got more color. And let's see, day 8. Let me tell you what is on here. Okay, there's 2 4x6, and then there's 2 4x5s horizontally and 1 vertical. And I'm not showing you the pictures because that way you get to be surprised since I was showing you the sketch. And so again, I'm close to that, but not right on. And so I have that, and I've got the stickers, and so I don't know which side. I know I'm going to use this, and I haven't decided about this. And then I have these scraps, and then I have these scraps. So maybe I'll use even some of these, but I'm going to put everything in here since I'm down to a little bit, you know, just these 2 full pieces. I will try to use as much as I can. And they have it. Oh, this is by Deb Tallboard, and it's got a large title and journaling, and then she's got kind of embellishments kind of sweeping through it. So really, whatever I use, I think is really up for grabs. She hasn't put in much more than the photo placement. So I'm going to try to use as much of this as I can. So that will be super fun. Okay, and so then, oops, I forgot my sticker sheet. I guess I really didn't have to put them away, but now that I did, there they are. Okay, and now my next one is day 10. And again, I do not have the right amount of photos, but I just tried to get ones that I could kind of lay out in the way that they have them laid out. And this one here, I am using 2 pages of 49 to market, and I had bought like just a few pieces of this Serenity, and this one is this color on this side, and I'm actually going to use the 2 navies. I probably bought them for the navies because it's hard to find navies. And then I'm using some of my Mind's Eye. I think I said this 49 to market, right? So I'm going to be using some of this My Mind's Eye Gingham Foundry. And this is such a gorgeous collection. And I had shared some of this with Maureen because she was looking for some. And I had 3 people share, I think, these papers with me. So I figured it was my job to share it again. It's beautiful, beautiful paper. And so anyway, I'm going to be using some of these because my pictures are very contemporary. And at first I pulled out this, and then I pulled out Simple Stories, because I wanted these kind of colors. And it's like I'm going to be using some of these in this direction. And I also brought in the sticker sheet. And then I think I'm going to use this. I don't know if I'll use anything else off this. I'm also throwing in my scraps for embellishments, but I have some of the cards left, and so I'm going to be using some of those. And I just kind of pulled out things that looked more contemporary, and then I pulled out these other embellishments that look contemporary. Oh, and I thought I might use this as part of the title, because I kind of have a plan for the title. So let's see, I'll just put these in the back of this. And again, I'm trying to throw in the embellishment or the scraps just because anytime I can use the scraps, it's a great plan. So that's going to be for day 10. Oh, and this is by Brianna Spores, and so it's got embellishments. It's got tags up here. It's got some mixed media. Now, I would say it's pretty slim that I would do mixed media. And then it's got a border down here, and then it's got 6 pictures, which I'm not going to have 6 pictures. But I'm going to try to get as close to this design as possible. I really do like to try to get as close as possible because I think it's fun that it's like all the time, every time I do 30 days of sketches, I end up with layouts that I would have never have done, and they end up being like some of my favorite stuff. Okay, so this one here, I have, let's see, this is day 24. Now I didn't think about this, that this is kind of a 1-page papers. I pulled out, let's see, 24. I pulled out a baby kit that I had made, so I might see if I have maybe another one of the woods. And let's see, 24 is right here, and it has 3 vertical photos, and then it's got 4 little photos. And again, this time I'm actually going to have more photos. So, well, not really, because I'm not going to have the little photos. So I'm going to be working with the other size and just work it out. But I think this will be a really good layout for my photos. And I have, so I might try to find another one of these, or maybe if I don't have another one of these, maybe I'll pull out a different wood that I have 2 of to use with it. And I've got these things I had put in the kit. Now that's for a little more adult, but it's like it's got these little baby things, and then I have a little square too. So maybe I can actually use this in place of one of the photos. So I'll be working it out to try to get as close to this sketch again as possible. And this, I had put it at the beginning of the baby's page kits, so I could use it with anything. So I'm also adding that with it. And so I have this beautiful floral, this beautiful gingham, 2 of my favorite things, and then the wood paper. And oh, they are designed on the back, so I could actually use some of these too. But something is going to have to be my 2 backgrounds. And if I don't find anything that I like is good to go with this, or have another one of the wood papers, I maybe would put in just some white paper. So that's it for today. And I'm gonna go see if I can find some more that I can check off my list. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you're gonna play, run over and get those sketches, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.